They came with fire, the banners red with sin. She took her blade of silver steel and led her soldiers in. But the cries of war grew hollow and her courage turned to stone, when the traitors bound her hands that day and left her all alone. Raise your cups and sing her name.